Real quick, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means so much to me to see you here. I'm going to be showing you exactly how I got this protective style on my 4C hair. I'm growing my hair out, so this is an amazing style to just kind of get your hands out of your hair, let it flourish, keep it moisturized for a few weeks. So definitely just stay tuned on exactly how I got this done, what I used, and everything like that. It is a favorite for myself, and I've gotten so many compliments today, and it's literally the first day that I've been wearing it. Okay, so I'm actually in a rush, so real quick, what I'm using is a little spray bottle of water. I like this one because it mists. Ooh Baby by Furwitry, and then my detangling comb. My hair, I pretty much did majority of it yesterday, and I have these 4 little sections that I'm going to finish right now on camera. This is going to be my style for the next few weeks, probably for a couple weeks. Wear it twisted, and then it'll get frizzy. My twist will kind of like puffing up as, you know, moisture in the air and in the shower and stuff like that. They'll puffing up and look a little bit more like, I guess, rugged, which I actually like. I'll take out the twist eventually and wear that as a whole separate twist out. You don't want to manipulate 4C hair while it's dry. So what I'm going to do is actually just pinch off a little piece. I'm not worrying too much about my parts. Just kind of want to make sure that you're pulling off equal sections every time. You know that feeling? You know that feeling when you're getting your hair braided and you know you have like a little small section, but they just keep breaking that little teeny section apart into more pieces. That's how I feel when I'm doing these. This section is small, but it's not small enough. I have to really hurry up because I have a client at the salon. So I'm really not gonna talk. But one thing though, you definitely want to make sure that you're doing 2-strand twists. So when you have your strands, you want to twist them both in the same direction. Twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross. So when I'm doing it fast, that's what I'm doing. You just might not be able to tell. And then like when I get to the end, honestly, if I don't feel like going all the way down to the end, then twirl it around.